racist.
What?
You don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Excuse
Something
me.
like that. Wait.
That
Oh, wait,
boy.
I...
I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for me?
James De Santa. Some kid. He is already late on his payments, and I have this bad feeling that he will do more damage to the car than we can get back from him in the exorbitant interest rate payments, huh? Just go and get it. The house is on, Hampstead, off Eclipse. It's an SUV, huh?
Some Rockford Hills daddy's boy nonsense.
Don't worry about it. Try to bring the car back in good condition, huh?
I got you. Don't worry about it.
It's so good to see you, my boy. Hey, good luck in law school, huh? So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
The financing, it seems like a shitty deal.
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simmy?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
You fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
I don't care if you're 12. I'll still rape you. Ooh, ouch! Rape-a-reno!
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo.
Thank you, Coach. pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro. Well, you're a great student. Now just loosen up those hips.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, loosen them up. There you go. And follow through. Perfect.
Oh, okay. I think I'm getting it.
Ooh, okay, Amanda. All right, now just follow through. God, you've got great hips. You know that? Follow through.
Yeah, I could get used to this. Oh.
Excellent. Yes. Now slide your hips slow. Here, right here. Right here.
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. Take me where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
Credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Come on, kid.
Man, shit! No! Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! Simeon Yetarian doesn't... Oh!
You think you could take me for a ride?
You've gone mad!
I spit on punks like you. You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work for it's worth $5 grand a month.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah, did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot, but you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh. Don't make me have to come back here. What do you want?
Man, I come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
I wasn't really serious about that.
What?
Here, whatever. Sit. You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession.
Okay. You call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. I see you doing well for yourself.
Look, I'm retired.
Ain't you a bit young for the pipe, slippers, and staring at a fucking sunset?
You know, I've been in this game for a lot of years. And I got out alive. That makes me the right age. You look like a good kid. But if you want my advice, give this shit up. You work hard, screw over everybody that you love. Hurt, rob, kill indiscriminately, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, you become a 3-bit gangster. It's bullshit. Go to college. Then you're gonna rip people off and get paid for it. It's called capitalism.
So what I saw the other day was like when a corpse briefly reanimates itself and terrorizes everyone, right?
What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests.
I guess I never saw myself as just a fucking pest.
Well, and today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage.
A training what?
Nothing. I was just lost in an 80s movie fantasy.
Yeah, I can see you spend a lot of time there.
Yeah, as much as I can.
So that's why you here in Vinewood then, right?
Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot who thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck you're doing on this earth.
Jesus, man. You a good time, you know that?
I tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. There's a little bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man. I'm following you.
We're taking my wife's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad! Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Hey, I'll help you out.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no...
There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey man, you gonna need to buy a new car real soon at this rate. Fuck!
Hey, a little respect! Oh, fuck!
Get your ass out of here!
Not the engine! Shit! Fucking engine! Fucking animal! Hey, stop throwing assholes at me! Man the life boats, you prick! Don't you hurt my boy!
Hey! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already!
Get your
Hey, this
fucking
dude trying
hands
to kill
off
me,
of
man!
Hey,
ain't
you
you asshole!
asshole!
You on the wrong boat, boy! Nah, you on the wrong boat.
There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Oh! Hey, man, I thought this was your wife's car. Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me close, man.
Hey, I don't want your death on my conscience, kid.
I'm not up here for fun, nigga. Oh, my God.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey man, you ain't very careful of your...
Ah! Too close! Oh, fuck! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Get your ass out of here. Get rid of his ass! Oh, they didn't. They fucking shot the engine. Fuck! Oh, easy with those pricks. You're screwing with the wrong retiree! You're pirates, you know that? The fuck are you doing?
Hey, shoot this motherfucker! Hey! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already!
You on the
What the fuck?
boy! All right, now look for my son.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! 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 Dad needs help!
I paid 5 years of sailing lessons for this! Hold on, you little shit!
Hey, get on here, man!
I can't hold on much longer! I'm so...
Okay, now go find Jimmy!
And it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Help! Help! Help!
Whoa, crap!
Get under him, man! Let him drop the floor!
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Get off of him! Shit! Shit! Ah, shit! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Ah, shit! Yay! Ah, crap!
Hey, get the old damn thing! Right behind you, homie, come on! Hey, close, man, close! Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice!
All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
Now that doesn't sound good!
Damn, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Don't you die on me yet. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey! It's just a thing! At least you still got a son!
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there, we can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing!
My boat.
Please stop doing that! Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie, that was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking boat!
No, it's not that. It's...
all we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor, give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough! Hey, Franklin, you call me a cab?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little
What's
shit
wrong with
stays in
you?
his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking?
Yeah, you know, I'd come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after him.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
All right.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie. Let's do it, bro. Mama wants a spoiler.
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk.
All right, good as new. My mama's car had almost as much work as my mama.